Okay, let's just say it. You clicked on this video because you're curious. Maybe you heard the rumors, the whispers on the internet, the jokes in movies about pineapple. And you're wondering, is that it? Is that the whole secret? I'm here to tell you that the pineapple thing is about 5% of the story. The real secret to feeling confident, healthy, and yes, tasting amazing down there is a complete lifestyle. It's not a magic trick, it's science. For years, this topic has been taboo, something to be embarrassed about, but not here. On this channel, we talk about real confidence, and today we are going deep. I'm going to give you a 5-pillar framework that will change everything. This isn't just about pleasing a partner. This is about taking control of your own body, your health, and your sexual wellness. So grab a glass of water, and you'll find out why in a second, and let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have an exact blueprint. Before we get to the good stuff, we have to clear the air. There is so much bad information out there. Myth number 1, you need to clean yourself out with special washes, perfumes, or douches. Stop. Immediately. Your vagina is a self-cleaning masterpiece. It has a delicate pH balance, a perfect ecosystem of good bacteria. When you use harsh soaps, scented products, or, worst of all, douche, you nuke that entire ecosystem. It can lead to irritation, infections like BV, or yeast infections, and guess what? That makes things taste and smell worse. The number 1 rule of kitty care is, leave the inside alone. Okay, the pineapple. Does it work? Kinda, but not in the way you think. Eating sugary fruits can make bodily fluids, including saliva and vaginal secretions, a little sweeter. But chugging a gallon of pineapple juice before a date isn't going to magically turn you into a piña colada. It's the consistency that matters. It's part of a much bigger picture, which brings us to our first and most important pillar. Pillar 1, the inside-out job. Hydration and diet. What you put in your body is the single biggest factor. You can't expect to eat garbage and feel like a goddess. It all starts from within. Subpillar A. Hydration is non-negotiable. Your body is over 70% water. Dehydration concentrates all of your bodily fluids. That means stronger smelling urine, stronger smelling sweat, and yes, a stronger, more acidic taste downstairs. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day. It flushes out toxins and keeps everything diluted and fresh. This is the easiest, cheapest, and most effective thing you can do. Start right now. Subpillar B, you are what you eat. We're going for a neutral to sweet profile. Fruits, berries, melon, apples, oranges. These are hydrating and add a hint of sweetness. Think of them as flavor enhancers. Yogurt and probiotics. This is huge. Greek yogurt, kefir, kimchi, kombucha. They feed the good bacteria in your gut, which directly impacts your vaginal microbiome. A healthy microbiome means a healthy, mild scent and taste. Fresh veggies, celery, cucumber, parsley, they are hydrating and alkalizing. Now, what about the bad stuff? I don't believe in bad foods, but some things have a stronger impact. Pungent foods. Asparagus, we all know the pea smell story. Broccoli, garlic, onions, heavy red meat. They contain sulfur compounds that can come through in your secretions. Heavy spices. Super intense curry or chili can temporarily alter your body's scent. Caffeine and alcohol, both are diuretics, meaning they dehydrate you. They make your system more acidic. A glass of wine is fine, but moderation is key. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's about balance. Think 80-20, 80% whole, hydrating foods, 20% whatever you want. Pillar 2, the outside-in job, hygiene and habits. Okay, we fixed the inside. Now for the outside. It's super simple. First, fabric matters. Cotton underwear is your best friend. It's breathable. It lets air circulate and prevents moisture from getting trapped. Synthetic fabrics like lace or nylon are sexy, but they are a trap for sweat and bacteria. Save them for special occasions. Don't live in them. Second, how you wash. When you're in the shower, let warm water run over the area. If you want to use soap, use a mild unscented one, like Dove Sensitive Skin, or Cetaphil, and only on the outside. On the labia majora and the bikini area. Never ever inside. Third, post-activity care. After a workout, change out of your sweaty clothes immediately. After sex, it's always a good idea to pee. It helps flush out bacteria and prevent UTIs. A quick rinse with water doesn't hurt either. Pillar 3, the lifestyle levers. Stress and sweat. This is the part most people completely ignore. Diet and hygiene are key, but your overall lifestyle pulls the final levers. Stress is a killer. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol throws all of your other hormones out of whack, including the ones that regulate your pH balance. Ever noticed you get more infections when you're stressed? That's why. Meditation, journaling, walking. Find what calms you down. A calm mind leads to a calm body. Exercise is amazing. Getting your blood flowing and sweating regularly is one of the best ways to detoxify your body. It pushes toxins out through your skin, taking the pressure off your other systems. Plus, it's a great stress reliever. It's a win-win. Pillar 4 and 5, the final touches and the mindset. Okay, the final 2 pillars are quick but powerful. Smoking. If you smoke, this will have a major impact. Cigarettes are full of chemicals that seep into every part of your body and every fluid you secrete. It creates a stale, chemical-like taste and smell. I know quitting is hard, but if you want to improve your overall health and taste, this is a big one to consider. And that brings us to the final, most important pillar of all. Pillar 5 is confidence. A healthy vagina has a taste. It's not supposed to taste like fruit or candy. It's supposed to taste like a clean, healthy human being. It might be slightly tangy, slightly musky, and that is normal and beautiful. All of these tips, the water, the food, the hygiene, are about bringing your body to its healthiest, most natural state. They are about you feeling good in your own skin. The ultimate goal isn't to taste like a smoothie. The goal is to be so healthy and so confident that you don't even worry about it. When you know you are taking care of your body, you radiate a different kind of energy. That confidence is the sexiest, most attractive thing in the world. This journey is an act of self-love. Okay, that was a lot, so let's recap the 5 pillars to make your kitty happy, healthy, and tasting its best. 1. Hydration and diet. Water, fruits, veggies, and probiotics are in. Excess caffeine, alcohol, and pungent foods are out. 2. Hygiene and habits. Cotton underwear. Unscented soap on the outside only. 3. Lifestyle. Manage your stress and get your body moving. 4. Vices. Be mindful of smoking and alcohol. 5. Confidence. Embrace your natural, healthy body. This is the blueprint. It works, but it only works if you are consistent. Now I want to hear from you. This is a safe space. In the comments below, tell me one thing from this video that you're going to start doing today. Is it drinking more water? Trying kombucha? Let's hold each other accountable. If this video helped you, please give it a like so more people can find it, and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week we're tackling another big one. How to respond to a hug and stay on his mind forever. You don't want to miss it. Remember, you are powerful, you are healthy, and you are in control. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.